Hi Gautam, welcome to Film Beat. Firstly, congratulations. Trailer was very impressive. People have loved it. So, what do you have to say about the character and how you got Nakab?
I got Zoom approached me, Zoom and Shomik, they came to me and they narrated the story to me. I really like that. And more than that, I love the character, to be very honest, my character. And the character is very fierce, he is very angry all the time mostly, and but vulnerable at the same time. Like it's treated in a very real manner, like how we see films. In our films, I'm talking about Bollywood, that he's a cop and he'll not be scared of anyone, he'll beat everyone up and he'll not be listening to any one of his seniors or the politician. But that doesn't happen in real life. In real life, if a senior gives you an order, you have to follow it. Otherwise, you'll be out of the job. And so, being such a strong character, he still has to go through all of that and he still has to continue doing his job. But the difference between the character is, or how real it becomes, is when a senior gives you an order, like a senior, like a DCP gives me an order, like Pawan Bush, and then I have to listen to it. But but this particular character waits for his time to happen, that he'll set everything right according to himself when the time is right. Till then, I listen to you whatever you say. So that makes it very interesting. It's a very layered character. So when you start, or whenever you watch it, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah.
Okay, and how was it working with Malika and Isha?
Very nice here. Both of them are very sweet, down to earth, very humble. So there was no hang-ups on the sets. Especially with me, I think both of them are very, very sweet. And it was a smooth sailing project. Yeah, for me. Didn't have any trouble with anyone, no fights with anyone, no arguments. It was just a smooth sailing thing that happened. Happy to be a part of it.
Okay, and apart from that, since we have seen, somewhere story is showing the reality of the industry, whether about the entertainment industry, whether it's TV, Bollywood, we have seen now drugs is so common. So, what you have to say, how do you look at the upcoming generation? Because we are seeing every day this drugs and the peddlers they are arresting and things like this thing happening, and especially in entertainment industry. So, what is your take? What do you have to say?
My thing is, it's a fiction story. It's not related to anything. It's a fiction particular story that's made in that premise. And secondly, it's not only about the entertainment industry. All these things that you are talking about, it's there everywhere. We see it here more because it's shown by the media and everything. Otherwise, if you talk about any other person, nobody is invested in their life that much the way they are invested in an actor's life. So that's why you see that in that particular light. But whatever said and done is wrong. It shouldn't be the way it is. There shouldn't be any drugs anywhere or anything like that in terms of conspiracies and murders anywhere or whatever. So that should be it's a total no-no in any field or in anyone's life. So that's what I think. Yeah.
Okay, you have done almost everything, Gautam, whether it's television, films, now OTT. So, what difference you see in particularly genre, like when you shoot, like how difference you notice in each platform?
See, there is honestly for an actor, only one thing is different: the preparation of the role. In television, you get the script on the same day. On OTT and films, you get a script approximately 1.5 months prior. In theatre, you get a script 3 months prior. So as much as you prepare for the character, you will be more comfortable. It will become your lines. But the sincerity remains the same. If you're doing TV, films, theatre, OTT, it's all the same mediums for an actor. We act the same way, but it's just that in these platforms, your work will be shining more because you've prepared for the character. You've got time to rehearse, do the workshops, learn about the character more. So that's the only difference between all of them.
Okay. Talking about the preparation of your character, like how much inputs you have given from your side, and how you prepared your character for the cop.
See, that's my process. Whenever I get the script, I start reading it quite many times. Then I start thinking about the character, how I want to take it forward. Then I start learning the lines. Then I start rehearsing it. Then I meet the director or the creative person or the writer to discuss about it more. That okay, fine, I'm thinking, I know their perception first. They want like kind of take a character in a certain way. Then I give my inputs to them, and then we create a particular character. That's how I work. So that's my functioning of a character or a character building. Yes.
Okay, so do you think like now cinema is shut and OTT is booming? So in coming years, like when cinema will again it will open. So do you think people will go back and like they'll go and they'll watch movie in theaters instead of OTT, because now OTT has boomed so much that no one is waiting for theaters to open. So what do you think?
My whole thing is everything will coexist. Cinema will coexist, television will coexist, OTT will coexist. But OTT will only become bigger and bigger. So OTT will have a much major part to play in the coming years than any other medium, to be honest. And that we can see in terms of the growth right now that's going on. We never thought 3 years back that OTT will become that big, a part of our life. That everything is coming on OTT only, nothing, nowhere else. Nobody is releasing their films first on, I'm talking about on the TV channel right now. For that sake, I'm talking about big films, they can come on Star Plus also. They're not, they're coming on either Netflix or Amazon or Hotstar or MX or something on those lines, or C5. But that's the difference I'm talking about. That's the power of OTT right now. That's the power. So, which is a great thing about it.
Okay, so talking about the lockdown, like how you have basically deal with this 2 years of COVID, and also we have seen your reels with Pankudi and people are loving it. So what do you have to say, like what you have learned during this lockdown?
The first few months were honestly was like a holiday. Like okay fine, you gotta sit at home. Okay, the only tough part was you gotta do everything by yourself. So a lot of respect to the house helps. But later, after a few months, then it becomes tougher because you're not able to go out anywhere. You're not able to meet anyone. It's just that you're on the phone or maybe WhatsApp calls, video calls or something. But then you become tired. Then you think that kab khatam hoga, kab bahar jayenge, when the normal life will start and happen. So the learning was that life is so unpredictable that you never know what will happen the next moment. So whatever you have right now, be happy with it. And one more lesson that I've learned in life, that good times and bad times are here to stay together. So it's not like if I'm having a good time right now, I'll not have a bad time after 6 months. It can happen the next moment. So you need to adapt, you need to learn, you need to take it easy with yourself, okay, because you need to tell yourself that the bad times will also come. It's not only the good times will. So when the bad times will come, you need to take it easy, just waiting for the good time to happen, because that's also right as in front of you. So yeah, that's how I think.
Okay, and apart from that, talking about the Naqab, what do you think? Like, if of course people are loving the trailer and response इस तरीके से आ रहा है, so do you think कि इसका second sequel भी आना चाहिए? And if it comes, will you be a part of it?
See, they're already planning a second one. That's what I've told. That's what I've been told. But it all depends how the first one goes. We have to be realistic in that. What the platform that make a second one will happen. जितने भी plan बना लो उससे कुछ नहीं होता. पहले प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए नंबर आएंगे, की व्यूअरशिप आएगी, तब सेकंड पे एग्जैक्टली काम शुरू होगा. और they are already in talks with it. That's why we ended in a way, whoever will see it now, that the second thing will happen. Already left that hook point. But if it will come, it will not come. It only depends how the audience will receive it and how many viewership has been. What will if it will benefit the platform or not. So it all depends on that.
Okay, and if talking about the thing we have seen in trailer, like this is the high case profile murder. So do you feel the same way what we have seen कि बड़ा ऐसा कोई high case profile murder होता है? So ये सारी चीजें involve होती है, whether it's politics, it's money, or things like that. Do you believe that?
It's true in a way. Whenever things like these happen in life, and this is a fiction story. This is not related to anything. But so people tend to. I'm not talking about only this profession. If it's any high-profile person from any field, because the person is in power, the person is in power, so he'll be knowing other powerful people around or around her. So everyone gets involved. So it's not about this particular field I'm talking about. I'm talking about every other field. If it's a high profile, I'm talking about cricket, I'm talking about politics, I'm talking about bureaucrats, I'm talking about police, anything on those lines I'm talking about. So certain things, certain clout around them is already high profile. So they will automatically be questioned and be involved in it. So any high profile death or where there is controversy involved in it, it will catch an eye of everyone. And every other big person who knows that person will be involved. Either people will question them, or people will have the suspicion they might have done it. So this always happens.
All right, and talking about the character, what is the takeaway you are taking from the character you are playing in Naqab? Like, what will be last with you forever?
For me, it's a very layered one. For me, I've learned a lot from the character. Learned a lot means not the learnings. Learned a lot as an actor. A different kind of sur that I've got that I've not played before. For actors, it's very important to get that sur right in terms of how you want to take the forward, how do you want to take the character forward, like how singers look for surs. आज sur नहीं बैठ रहा. Actors का भी same होता है, sur नहीं बैठता. Once you get that sur ना, then it's a smooth sailing journey for you. So for me, there were different moods. There were different layers of the character, which if I get another character, not similar, something different, but I can use one or two things from it. Because every set you go, every project you do, you learn something out of it. And so that's what I take from it.
Okay, so since we are talking about Naqab, ऐसी कोई चीजें हैं about the industry or about you would like to reveal, like कोई नकाब अगर आप उठाना चाहें या ऐसा कोई नकाब है?
सबने नकाब पहना है, आपने, मैंने, सबने पहना है, मतलब क्यों? क्योंकि जैसे हम दोनों पहली बार एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं, हम दोनों बहुत प्यार से बात कर रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छे अदब से बात कर रहे हैं. When you might see me accidentally somewhere on the road having a fight with someone in a rage, and I'm hitting that person or abusing that person, or the person is hitting me, or something on those lines will happen. And then you will say, he was such a sweet guy. When he was talking to me that way, that was a facade or what? So that means he was wearing a niqab then, or he's wearing a niqab now. So, but we need to understand every one of us we all are multi-dimensional, because sometimes सब प्यार नहीं कर सकते, sometimes सब गुस्सा नहीं कर सकते, sometimes सब emotional नहीं हो सकते. Everyone goes through phases. So everyone is wearing a niqab according to the second person. If that person doesn't know me well, so उसको लगेगा यार ये तो इतना प्यारा था, इतना प्यार से बात करता है, तो ये तो कितना गंदा आदमी कैसे कर रहा है, देखो रोड पे क्या कर रहा है. So but you not be knowing कि यार ये उसका सिर्फ एक छोटा सा साइड है जो उसने गुस्से में आके कर दिया. उसका नकाब आपको लग रहा है नकाब है, मगर शायद उसका नकाब ना पहना. So that becomes very, and that's a day-to-day situation with every one of us. Maybe we don't like someone, maybe we are not that nice with that person. So maybe the third person who doesn't know you properly will see you and judge you that she's wearing a mask. I'm telling you, देखा ये वहाँ पे ऐसी थी, हाँ ऐसी है. So, but that's life for you. Yeah.
Okay. And lastly, अपने fans and viewers को क्या कुछ message देना चाहते हो? And when can we see you next after Naqab? What is in pipeline and what you would like to say?
See, right now, me and Pankuri, my wife, we both are working together on another music video. One we doing right now for Zero Story. Another one we are doing, but the good thing is it's in a different language. It's not in Hindi. So that's the best part about it. It's in a different language. I'll not be able to tell you the language because we still have to shoot for it, but we are just about to shoot for it. And that will be out next month, first week. That should be out. So that one thing is there. There's another thing that is going on in terms of a web thing again, but they haven't given me the dates and everything is not finalized till yet. So till the time I start shooting, because it's such an unpredictable time right now, when the next wave will come, third wave, when will things get delayed, it will start, then it all depends on the third wave. So once it should start and it should end, then there's a point to talk about it. This one is just happening, so that's why I told you about it.
Okay, and what message you would like to give to the fans and the viewers who are watching you?
They watch me. because you're watching this, so watch me. My show is just come, it's for free. हमने इतनी मेहनत करी आपको फ्री में देखने के लिए मिल रहा है, देखिए एंजॉय करिए. और दूसरी as in it's a complex twisted show where there are a lot of twists and turns. There will be a lot of nakams that be coming out of everyone's faces, including me. So you'll get a lot to see in it. So whatever you see in the initial episodes will keep changing in the next one, then in the next one. So that'll keep happening. So you might enjoy it. So we need to kind of see it and then decide.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Gautam. It was a pleasure talking to you, and all the best looking forward. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.